So a lot of you guys have probably seen that my driveway is a mess, and I've been kind of walking around this here boat that we're working on, and that's because I don't have a really good spot to put it. It's just kind of right there, right in the middle of the driveway. Towards the beginning of the summer, we bought this trailer that I planned on fixing up and using for that boat project. I just never really got around to it, being busy with all the other stuff on the truck. So right now I have a little bit more time on the truck. I have a little bit of free time from the truck, so I can focus on this for just a little bit. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to refurbish this trailer. So here are the issues with the trailer that I see right now that I need to fix. The existing trailer wiring is very bad, and I don't think any of the lights work. This rope is also very bad. Like, look at that. I can just destroy that with just one hand. It just kind of falls apart. It's very bad. It's bent in the middle. Somebody put too much weight on it, cracked the frame. It has no supports in the middle for holding a boat or anything, so that needs to be changed. And of course, some new lights. So we'll get all that taken care of, and hopefully today I'll be able to put that boat back on. Well, it was never on this trailer. I'll be able to put it on the trailer and we can get it out the way, and we can start working on other projects. So what I first need to do is get all the hardware off, these 3 off the back, get that one up front up there, take all this hardware off, and then I'll have a clean place to start with. I'm going to clean up the steel around here, and then clean up around here in the front, around these holes, and then attach a support to where I can have another place to mount another piece of hardware on the front up there. But right now I'm just gonna put you on the tripod, put some headphones on, and go to work. These took quite a bit of time to clean up, so I'm not going to bore you with about an hour or so of grinding off this rust. Right about here, my camera died, and after running the battery into the house to put it on the charger, it started to rain on me. So that's where I'm gonna have to end this video. Stop by next week. I might try and do 2 videos next week. I don't know if that's gonna work out or not, but I'm gonna try for it since this one was so short. But be sure you subscribe so you'll know whether or not we meet that goal.